Hi, I'm Nancy Ganzakoffer, business coach to interior designers and other creative entrepreneurs. Why is Facebook Live so important to you right now? Let me tell you why. Because Facebook Live is the best way to get more people learning about who you are, what you do, and how you help others. If you do the Facebook Live from your personal page, your entire friends list gets notified that you are live, and they will listen to you, and you can give a really valuable tip about what you do, and they will start listening if they have an interest and possibly a need. It takes repetition. You want to do it over and over again, possibly the same time every day or every week, like I currently do, Weekend Wind Down with Nancy, W-I-N-E. Right now I do it from my business page, but I started out doing it on my personal page and increased my following to somewhere around 1,500 to 2,000 viewers every week. I do it once a week on Fridays, 4:30 Eastern time. And again, started out on my personal page. Now I do it on my business page, Nancy Ganzakoffer, business coach, and I've moved those people over. So if you need any more tips on how to increase your potential clients finding you, get on my calendar for a reduced cost strategy call. Talk to you soon.